T-minus 17 minutes and counting.
Go ahead.
April 24th, 1990. The Hubble Space Telescope, this is a $4.7 billion piece of state-of-the-art machinery, was launched from the Space Shuttle Discovery.
And liftoff of the Space Shuttle Discovery with the Hubble Space Telescope, our window on the universe.
Shortly after its launch, operators discovered a flaw in the primary mirror. This is an almost unbelievably precise device that cost about $450 million. But it had an aberration that affected the clarity of the telescope's early images.
After spending $2 billion for 12 years to have this kind of unexpected, very large mistake take place.
What NASA noticed was that the Hubble began returning images that were far less clear than they expected. So NASA undertook an investigation and diagnosed the problem with an object that is about 353 miles above the ground. Pause for a second and think about the logistics of trying to understand a problem with an object 353 miles away in orbit. Ultimately, the problem was traced to miscalibrated equipment. Now, when I say miscalibrated equipment, here's what I'm talking about. While the mirror was being ground down during production, the curvature was off by 2.2 microns. How big is 2.2 microns, you might be asking? Well, it's roughly 1/50th the thickness of a human hair. That is absolutely tiny and seemingly insignificant. But the impact of this tiny flaw was tremendous in terms of both the initial usefulness of Hubble, but also from a PR perspective. This tiny aberration, 1/50th the thickness of a human hair, and the fact that the program was already tremendously over budget made NASA the receiving end of nearly endless jokes for years to come. And this is unfortunate for a number of reasons, including the fact that they were able to fix the problem, and they were able to collect some of the most amazing images of the universe that we've ever collected. But we're not here to talk about astrophotography, nor are we here to talk about the Hubble. We are here to talk about how very small problems can lead to tremendous impacts at a business level, especially in the area of customer service.